Ever feel like you're stuck in a loop, unable to break free and achieve your dreams? It's like being trapped in a maze where every turn leads you back to the same place. But what if I told you there's a way out, that there's a compass to guide you through life's maze, leading you straight to your dreams? That compass, my friends, is self-discipline. Self-discipline is your superpower. It's not just a fancy word. It's a crucial skill that builds your ability to resist temptations, stay focused, and persevere. It's a light that guides us through the stormy seas of life towards the shore of our dreams. Imagine self-discipline as a muscle. The more you exercise it, the stronger it becomes. And as it strengthens, so does your ability to resist temptations, to stay focused, to persevere. Just like the ancient Stoics, who believed in the power of self-control and inner strength, we too can harness the power of self-discipline to shape our destiny. Consider this: the Bible, in Proverbs chapter 25, verse 28, says, "A man without self-control is like a city broken into and left without walls." A vivid image, isn't it? Without self-discipline, we are vulnerable, open to attacks from all sides. But with it, we are invincible, fortified against life's trials and tribulations. But how does self-discipline tie into financial success, you might ask? Well, it's simple. Without self-discipline, we are swayed by impulse, by the desire for instant gratification. We spend without thought, save without purpose, invest without strategy. But with self-discipline, we gain control over our spending, our saving, our investing. And with that control comes financial success. So how do we exercise this muscle? How do we strengthen our self-discipline? Over the next few minutes, we'll delve into 5 practical tips to help you cultivate this vital trait. We'll explore techniques, strategies, and mindsets that will equip you with the ironclad self-discipline you need to achieve your financial dreams. Remember, the key to unlocking your potential lies within you, in your ability to harness self-discipline. Again, the key to unlocking your potential lies within you, in your ability to harness self-discipline. So, are you ready to unleash the power within? Let's begin. Tip 1. Set clear goals. Getting where you want starts with knowing where you're going. Picture yourself on a journey. You've packed your bags, you're ready to go, but there's one crucial detail missing: you don't know your destination. It's like being in a boat without a steering wheel, vulnerable to the whims of the waves, with no control over where you end up. This is why setting clear, precise, and attainable goals is crucial to your financial success, my friend. Your goals are the threads that weave your dreams into reality. Your goals are the building blocks of your dreams. They are the stepping stones that bridge the gap between where you are and where you want to be. But it must not be just any goal. They must be clear, specific, and achievable. A vague goal is as good as no goal at all. Remember, your goal is your destination, your endpoint. It's the peak of the mountain you're aiming to climb. So be precise. Instead of saying, "I want to save more money," say, "I want to save $2,000 by the end of the year." Instead of saying, "I want to pay off my debt," say, "I will pay off 20% of my debt in 6 months." The concept of God's will, for instance, stresses the importance of having a clear vision. It is said that God has a plan for each one of us, a divine blueprint, if you will. So, in setting our goals, we are aligning ourselves with this divine plan. We are embracing our part in the grand design. But remember, while God has a plan, we have a role to play in bringing that plan to life. And that role involves setting clear goals and working diligently to achieve them. To sum it all up, setting clear goals is not just about knowing your destination. It's about charting your course, steering your ship, and taking control of your journey. It's about transforming your dreams into reality, one goal at a time. Remember this: a goal without a plan is just a wish. So, go ahead, set those goals, make those plans, and watch as your financial success story unfolds. Remember, this is your chance to design your future, one goal at a time. Now, the second tip on our journey to financial freedom: cultivating consistency. Success isn't a one-time thing. It's a habit, you see. The road to success isn't a sprint, but a marathon. It's not about being perfect or achieving everything at once. It's about showing up every day, rain or shine, and doing what needs to be done. It's about making a commitment to your goals and sticking to it, one small step at a time. Let's take a quick detour back in time, to the golden era of ancient Greece. There lived a philosopher named Aristotle, who famously said, "We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence, then, is not an act, but a habit. What Aristotle understood thousands of years ago still holds true today. Consistency is the key to cultivating habits of success. Take Thomas Edison's story, for example. His journey to inventing the light bulb wasn't a straight line. He faced countless failures, thousands of experiments that didn't work. But he never gave up. He remained consistent, and eventually he found the solution. His consistent effort illuminated the world. Think about it. That's what consistency can do. How can you be consistent? Start with small, achievable actions. Make a commitment to perform these actions every day. Over time, these small actions will compound into significant progress towards your goals. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about being consistent. It's about showing up day after day, even when it's hard, even when you don't feel like it. It's about taking one small step, then another, and another until you've reached your destination. Remember, consistency is the secret weapon of high achievers. Consistency, not perfection, is the secret to success. Keep that in mind while you're on your way to achieving your financial goals. The road to success is rarely smooth. It's often uphill. It's a journey filled with bends, twists, and turns. There will be bumps and detours. But isn't that what makes it worthwhile? Isn't the thrill of overcoming a difficulty what makes the victory sweeter? Victory is sweetest when you've known defeat, said Malcolm S. Forbes. Would you agree? Well, embracing challenges is the third tip to ironclad self-discipline and the key to financial success. Yes, you heard it right. Embracing challenges, not avoiding them. Challenges are not roadblocks. They are stepping stones. They are opportunities to learn, grow, and evolve. Let's take a page from the philosophy of Stoicism. The Stoics believed that we don't control what happens to us. We control how we respond. And every challenge presents a chance to respond with strength, wisdom, and grace. Even if you fail 1,000 times, see them as 1,000 steps to success. Each challenge, each setback is a lesson, a stepping stone in the path to success. In the biblical parable of David and Goliath, young David didn't shy away from the challenge of facing the giant Goliath. Instead, he embraced it. And what happened? He succeeded. He used his skill, his courage, and his faith to overcome an obstacle that others thought insurmountable. Challenges are not meant to break us, they are meant to make us. They push us out of our comfort zones and make us realize our true potential. They make us stronger, wiser, and more resilient. So, when you encounter a challenge on your path to financial success, don't turn away. Embrace it, face it head on, learn from it, grow from it. Because every challenge you overcome not only brings you one step closer to your goal, but also shapes you into the person capable of achieving that goal. Remember, the road to success is often uphill. But the view from the top, the sense of achievement, and the lessons learned along the journey are worth every step. So, embrace the challenges. Embrace the journey. Every challenge you overcome brings you one step closer to your goal. Tip 4. Practice patience. Rome wasn't built in a day. A phrase we've all heard, yet often forget when it comes to our pursuit of financial success. It's a reminder of the power of patience, the strength in steady progress, the victory in persistence. Look at the Great Pyramids of Egypt, a marvel that took over 20 years to construct, or consider the timeless tales of Aesop's fables, where the tortoise, slow and steady, won the race. These are testaments to patience, showing us that success doesn't come overnight. In our search for financial stability, it's easy to seek instant gratification, immediate results. But remember, the oak tree doesn't grow in a day. It takes years of nurturing, weathering storms, and savoring sunlight. In the realm of finance, patience is a virtue that pays dividends. It's about making consistent, calculated decisions and waiting for the seeds you've sown to bear fruit. But remember, patience is not just about waiting, but how you behave while waiting. The 5th tip is to celebrate small wins. Yes, you heard it right. Every step forward, no matter how small, is progress. Progress is not always about leaps and bounds. It's about the small, steady strides we take each day. But why do we celebrate, you ask? It's simple, really. When we celebrate, we acknowledge our progress. We affirm our abilities, our efforts. It's a pat on the back, a self-high five. It's a way to keep our spirits high and our motivation alive. This concept is deeply rooted in various philosophical teachings. Gratitude is about appreciating every single moment, every single achievement. In the Bible, it's about giving thanks for all things. The small wins, they matter. They're stepping stones to success. So the next time you achieve something, no matter how small, don't forget to celebrate. Celebrate every win, for they all add up in the end. Again, celebrate every win, for they all add up in the end. Now, as we come to an end, I want you to take note of this. You have the power to change your life. Remember, self-discipline isn't a punishment, but a gateway to success. It's the key that sets you free to build the future you desire. Start implementing these tips today. Take action, set your goals, be consistent, embrace challenges, have patience, and celebrate every win, no matter how small. Remember, you have the power to change your life. This is your journey, and every step forward brings you closer to your financial goals. You have the potential to break through limitations and achieve remarkable things. Imagine the feeling of accomplishment as you reach your milestones. You can transform your story and inspire those around you. Follow these tips and the guidance in other videos on this channel. We're here to equip you with the knowledge and strategies to take control of your financial future. Believe in yourself, take action, and watch your success unfold. You have the potential to achieve great things. So, what are you waiting for? Start today and transform your life one disciplined step at a time. Comment like this: I'll start today. I have the key to financial success. Now, if you found value in this video, don't forget to subscribe and join us on this journey. We have plenty more wisdom and practical tips to share. See you next time, millionaire.